Corruption doesn't need hiding. It just needs applause to look respectable. Hindi kailangang magtago ang corruption, kailangan lang palakpakan para magmukhang kagalang-galang. Every investigation ends the same way, with the evidence missing and the accused smiling. Pare-pareho ang ending ng investigasyon. Nawawala ang ebidensya, pero nakangiti ang may sala. Their speeches bleed patriotism. Their actions hemorrhage honesty. Puno ng pagmamahal sa bayan ang mga talumpati nila, pero dumudugo ng kasinungalingan ang gawa. They steal millions in silence, then donate thousands in surround sound. Tahimik silang nagnanakaw ng milyon, pero maingay kapag nagdo-donate ng libo. One voice with conviction is heavier than 1,000 paid cheers.